Good morning! So good to see you here. I've already been working on my project and I got a bit cold and I need the sun now, but where is it? And I just made myself some breakfast. It's a porridge again, just like yesterday, but it's also so healthy, so it doesn't matter if you eat it like the whole week. Hey kiwi! But this time I added blueberries and grapes and cashew butter and I don't know, I haven't eaten it yet, so we will figure it out as we go. This is my breakfast. It's not yours, Kiwi, you already had some, but this is what it looks like. Not as pretty, but just as delicious. Yesterday we were watching Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 and I liked it so much more than the first one, because in the first one there was so much action, so much shooting going on, and nothing like super interpersonal something. Yeah, but the second one was more about also the personal connections, and I don't know, I just enjoyed it so much more, and I loved it that they're not so serious as the other Marvel superheroes, that they can make jokes and see themselves not as like superheroes but as normal people who just have fun in the galaxy. I enjoy breakfast so much. It just tastes so good after you fasted for the whole night. And yeah, I just love sweet foods, and most of the time I make myself something sweet in the morning, like this sweet porridge sweetened with banana. I just got in front of the laptop enjoying my breakfast, and look at this weirdo dog being all crazy for his stick, but being so cute. It's time for some training. Ferdinand's doing his upper body.
What?
You're training your upper body today?
I do.
Yay!
No, what I do? Leg press, right?
My upper body is actually pretty sore from yesterday's pole dance session, so I'm gonna do something for my lower body, but I'm not feeling squats or deadlifts. It's just, I don't want to train it up here, so I'm gonna put on a YouTube video and do that for half an hour. I didn't think that that would tire me that much, because there was like pretty much no weight involved. But that chick in the video made me jump. Oh god. Somehow I can't catch my breath that good here up in the mountains, but it felt so nice. I will stretch for a little bit longer and get myself something to drink. We are driving to a beautiful place where we're gonna go for a hike, and Kiwi's gonna love it as well. And I'm gonna take you with us, because that's like the whole purpose of this vlog, to show you how beautiful nature is and how beautiful the places where we're going. We've been there last year already, and look at Ferdinand! His very face!
That is what it looks about, my face, not nature.
Yeah, just like 20 minutes showing close-ups of his face. No, but seriously, I'm so excited for this hike, because it's just so nice in there, like small little waterfalls with beautiful nature. Be excited. I'm fine. We just got back from a little hike and Kiwi is so tired. But she had so much fun. It's her highest joy to run around in nature, to explore and to sniff. And we've been out and about for quite a while. It's 4:30. Ferdinand is making a yummy veggie bowl. And I will snack on some grapes now and then wait for an hour and then make myself some dinner. I need to work a little bit, Photoshop some images, start to cut this vlog, but it's so much fun. I love it up here, and you guys have been telling me that we look so relaxed and so, I don't know, different from Berlin. And we actually just listened to a podcast and he said that you really like become your environment, or you become like the things that surround you. So here there's like no one and there's only nature, some animals, and it's so calm and so relaxing, and the air is so fresh, the water is so good, so we just feel so relieved and so open. We can like expand our energy out in nature and just receive the same back. And I feel like in Berlin, in a big city, there's so many people and they're all out and about hustling, like rushing their day, and it really impacts you even if you just spend the whole day inside. And I don't know, even if you want to feel relaxed and feel good, it still has a slight impact on you. And I think that's what you guys are noticing, because we're just enjoying ourselves in nature, taking more time than usual. And I know, I just love being outside, feeling the sun on my skin every day. So yeah, thank you so much that you stick with me, that you enjoy these videos. Yeah, just let me know your thoughts down below. I'm so curious to see if you also have experienced some changes when you're in a big city or when you're on vacation, because I'm a big believer of energy, and that everything around you impacts you, and that every energy, like even good energy, impacts you, and bad energy from people impacts you, and that the same, you can impact other people by spreading your energy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. It got a bit deep, but hopefully see you again here on my channel.